Hello, timeshare owner friends. Glad to be back here with you today on YouTube. So is it worth renting out your timeshare? The short answer is it depends on your needs. If you're comfortable managing your timeshare's purchase and maintenance costs, then there's no need to rent it out. But if those expenses are starting to add up, or you simply want to offset some of the costs, then renting out unused weeks and points might be the perfect solution. So here's what you need to get started. You must be a timeshare owner with extra points or weeks that you're not using each year. Your timeshare should allow you to use guest certificates. These let others use your reserved stays, forming the basis of our guest bookings. Okay, so let's talk about how S&T Properties LLC can help. We're here to make the process smoother and more profitable, so you don't have to navigate this alone. We start with step 1, your free introductory Zoom meeting. You can book your free session at www.stproperties53.com. We'll walk you through how to help timeshare owners like you generate real income from unused time. If we move forward, we go on to an affordable strategy Zoom meeting. Together, we'll develop a personalized rental strategy, identify prime rental areas, discuss listing creation, and if necessary, we can help you with listing platform setup. In step 3, we'll create up to 10 listings. We'll help you with your rental account setup if you need it, listing creation and updates, availability and tracking of the listings, booking management, and ensuring payments go directly to you. In step 4, we can expand up to 50 listings. As your success grows, so can the number of listings. In step 5, we can scale up to as many as 350 plus listings. Once you see a strong performance, you'll have the opportunity to expand even further as your timeshare portfolio evolves into a serious income stream. So are you ready to turn your unused time into income? Let's make your timeshare work for you with minimal stress. Start now with a free consultation at www.stproperties53.com. We're excited to help you unlock your timeshare's potential and restore your confidence in the timeshare ownership. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.